iPhone SE 4 release date, key features tipped. iPhone SE 3 was the latest SE generation iPhone launched in 2022, and now Apple's reportedly working on the fourth iteration of the iPhone SE. The upcoming iPhone SE 4 is expected to integrate Apple Intelligence, according to a report. Mark Gurman reported that the fourth generation iPhone SE will include an edge-to-edge screen, a similar design to the iPhone 14, boasting a larger 6.1-inch OLED display. This means that the device won't come with the home button or Touch ID button. Instead, it'll likely support Face ID for unlocking the phone like the rest of the mainline phones. The report also adds that the iPhone SE 4 will support Apple Intelligence features currently available on the iPhone 16 series, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max, meaning that it'll be integrated with an upgraded A18 chip and is expected to double the RAM to 8 GB. Gurman revealed that the iPhone SE 4 is set for a potential launch early next year in March or April at a virtual event. Due to these impressive upgrades, the iPhone SE 4 is tipped to get a price hike over the current model, with the starting price anticipated to be $429. Additionally, Gurman also claimed that Apple is working on new 11-inch and 13-inch versions of the iPad Air, featuring internal improvements that will arrive along the iPhone SE 4.